Hello guys, welcome back to Perfume Safari. So today we are with a perfume brand which is like going viral everywhere. Whenever I used to open Instagram reel, I used to see the ad. And then I was like, let me try it, okay? Well, the brand which I'm talking about is Blah Bee Blue. Yes, the way it sounded, like it's funky, and actually the whole flavor and the branding is also really funky. Well, it is actually inspired from a Korean brand to the point. Well, this video will be in two parts. In the first part, we will be just showing you the unboxing. In the second part, we will test all the perfumes, six perfumes we have got, and we'll tell you our initial impression so that you can make up your mind that you want to spend your money on this particular brand or not. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, and we'll be waiting.